Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anil Shirati, professor and consultant. So today for the subject design for manufacturing, I will be giving few assignments. Now there are two types of assignment we will go through in this course. One is will be on Coursera and another will be few case studies. So I want you to go through the courses listed in Coursera and finish these courses. Okay. The all the courses what I am assigning you today will be on Fusion 360. Okay, this Fusion 360 is designed and developed by Autodesk. So this is a software which can be used for both CAD modeling, for CAE analysis, and also for the additive manufacturing. So what I will do is I will first show a few features of this software. So I'll just if you want to see this features, you can go through the go to the YouTube, and there is a channel called Autodesk Fusion 360. Okay, so this is the official site of Autodesk. So I'll just click one video.
We're trying to do something that's never been done before. Something that seemed impossible.
We are constantly trying to push our designs just a little bit further. I'm always saying, make it even better. Before I had Fusion 360, the question was, can I really make that? Now it's more like, what can't I make?
Now I have a simple way to solve really complicated problems.
Starting a project used to be so daunting. We'd spend days trying to make a prototype. I love how intuitive the software feels. It's like an extension of my brain.
Our team is really tight-knit, even though we have people all over the world. Fusion 360 keeps us connected.
I'm able to spend more time with the things that matter to me most, because I can get my work done anytime, anywhere. It's an amazing feeling to hold something you've brought from idea to reality.
With Fusion 360, I don't have to compromise between cost or quality.
I'm an engineer.
I'm a machinist.
I'm a designer, and I use Fusion 360.
Fusion 360. One product, unlimited possibilities.
Fine. So you can go to their official YouTube channel, and a lot of videos are there. You can go through all the videos whenever you get time, and you can learn this software. Right. So in Coursera, and if in case you want a free version of this software, so I'm giving you the link. Okay, you can go to that link and see the free software. So this is the link for the free software which is mentioned in the description. So there are three types of free software. One is for personal use, it is for 1 year subscription free. Another is for education purpose, that is also 1 year subscription free. And then for commercial purpose, it is a 30 days trial version. Okay. Now Coursera is offering you these courses offered by Autodesk. Okay, so Autodesk have listed lot of courses on Coursera platform on Fusion 360. So the first program, Introduction to Mechanical Engineering Design and Manufacturing with Fusion 360. Okay. So we will go each course in detail one by one. So this course is a basic course which all students have to go through, that is common to all. Okay. The next course that is modeling and design of mechanical engineers with Autodesk Fusion 360. This will be mainly dealing with the modeling part. Next course is a simulation analysis for mechanical engineers with Autodesk Fusion 360. This will be mainly dealing with the CAE part of Fusion 360. Next is the CAM and design manufacturing for mechanical engineers with Autodesk Fusion 360. So this is more related towards the tooling side. Then now everyone knows additive manufacturing is a very important manufacturing technique. So you can use the Autodesk to generate the file which are needed for the machine additive machines like 3D printers, okay, or metal 3D printers, okay. So to generate the STL or G-code file, you can use Autodesk Fusion 360. And the last one is generative design for performance and weight reduction, okay. This is also an important course related to how I can reduce the weight and do the optimization part. Fine. So the links for all the courses are given in the description box. We will just go through briefly about these courses, okay. So the first course, Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, Design and Manufacturing with Fusion 360. So if you see, go through this one, go to the syllabus. This needs around 12 to 15 hours course. The Future of Manufacturing and Innovation gives the details, concept design for Fusion 360. Then give the detail of modeling, okay. Then CAE and CAM features, okay. This is related to the first course, that is Introduction of Mechanical Engineering Design and Manufacturing with Fusion 360. The next course, that is a Modeling and Design for Mechanical Engineer with Fusion 360. So this will be mainly dealing with the modeling part. So basics of modeling, basics of assembly, then few exploring the tools which are there for production, and also some complex design with form tools, okay. So this will be also a 15 hours roughly course of modeling and design for mechanical engineering. The third course, it is simulation analysis for mechanical engineering with Fusion 360. So this one is related to mainly on CAE part, okay, finite element analysis part. So first week it will be dealing with static stress simulation, then shape optimization to drive the design, then related to vibration, that is non-linear response, buckling and model frequency, and then related to thermal parts, okay. Now the fourth one, that is CAM and design manufacturing for mechanical engineer. So this will be mainly dealing with drafting of from manufacturing point of view, how you can make the drawings ready for manufacturing. So drawing for manufacturing, design of manufacturing, setting up the CNC milling program. So directly when you are modeling in the software, you can generate, and if you define the tools and other things, you can generate the CNC code. Machining complex geometry, all this data is you can learn in this fourth course. The fifth course will be related to additive manufacturing, okay. So using the same software, you can also use it for additive manufacturing. So generating the design, generating the setup for additive manufacturing, generating design outcomes, and then generating the final design, final post-process file which you have to send to the 3D printer, okay. So this is related to the additive manufacturing part of feature of Fusion 360. And the last is generative design for performance and weight reduction. So this will be dealing with mainly towards the optimization part, okay. So identifying in a single model which are the obstacle or preservative region where you can generate the design study, then a review and selective outcome, post-processing, file product. So here mainly dealing with how I can reduce, if I did a CAD model, which parts or which dimension can be changed so that I can optimize the complete system, my design of that model, okay. So this you will be learning in this part. Now if you go to your Google Classroom, okay, okay, so let's say I'm going in division. So you can see here, if you go to your classwork part, the DFM assignment. So first assignment is assigned here, okay, and also I have given some 2 more links about how to use this Google Classroom, and also how to use how you can submit the assignment in Google Classroom. So these are available on YouTube. You can visit these links and see how you can use both Google Classroom and assignment part. So if you go to this assignments, okay, so all the instructions are written. All the students need to complete 2 courses on Autodesk with Fusion 360. So if you open this PDF file, so all the instructions are given, okay, okay. So all students need to complete 2 Coursera courses on the Autodesk. Now course number in table 1 we are given the course number and name of the course and course detail, okay. In table 2 the students details are given. So let's say serial number 7 is this student has to do course 1, which is common for everyone, and course 2. Similarly, another student has to do course 1 and 6, okay. So once you do all these courses, I'll be sharing one more link where you have to upload your course completion certificate, okay. So hope you will enjoy this course. All the Coursera courses, these all are important from industry point of view, okay. So the first is the basic course, second is all the advanced course like modeling, simulation, related to manufacturing, CAM and design, then related to additive manufacturing, and the last one is optimization part, okay. So if you have any questions, you can message me or you can email me also. So enjoy your courses and try to learn. Even there are few more courses in Coursera on the Autodesk Fusion 360 you can go through. Once you do all these basics, you can go for the advanced courses also. So if you have any questions, you can message or you can email me. Thank you everyone.